You know what, guys? I'm gonna go over a topic right now because I'm on my way to film a video with Oz and there's a few of us actually, because it's popping off in London today. Not just today, but flipping every day at the moment. It's just going mental. But I've been asked about Brazil. Am I going back to Brazil? And guys, I've got the plan, and the plan is with the Patreon. I've got the best plan ever. I wanted to speak about this for a while, but I've just not been able to. Oh, Brazil's a techie topic, put it that way. So to answer your question, I'm going to keep this video nice and simple. Yes, I am going back to Brazil. I've been asked this so many times. I'm going. Even when I left Brazil, me and Brazil was on very bad terms with each other. I still, like, I don't know, it's so weird. I still knew that I wanted to go back. As soon as I left, I missed it. But yeah, hard to explain. Maybe that's just a thing, like when you've gone to Brazil or lived in Brazil. Maybe all the Brazilians will understand that. But yeah, what I'm gonna do, obviously you can see I've started the Patreon. I'm trying to put out some content on there with the stuff that I can't post to YouTube for obvious reasons. But there's a bigger plan behind it. I'm also running a giveaway at the moment, so you can win a hoodie and a full tank of fuel. I thought I'd start it off nice and simple with that, so we'll draw the winner next month. Appreciate everyone going over there. Guys, it's for a small fee, for a small subscription monthly, you can really help me take this thing to the next level. Because in case you haven't noticed, I don't quit. I'm not going anywhere. I'll die for this. I've been saying that. And which way do I want? I want with less traffic on it. I'm nearly fucking stalled. You see that? That's why I need the bike tuned. This bike from factory runs like shit. I love it though. But I can't wait to get it tuned on the 23rd. That's coming up. It's gonna be crazy. But let me tell you my master plan, which is why I haven't spoke about going back to Brazil, because I didn't know the way to make it work. And to make it clear, I'm not going permanently. Originally, I was only meant to be there for 6 months. I was meant to go there, come back and be able to go to and from. That's the dream. I thought I'd send it. Everyone was like, you must be in a great position to do that. No, I'm just out here taking risks and losing all the time, but it, that's all I know. Taking risks. Even this Africa Twin, guys, I couldn't afford this for shit. I was in debt. I'll come back. I sold my MT-07, used it as a down payment. Weren't sure I was going to afford any other payments, and I just sent it again. There's a good saying, which I posted way back when I broke my collarbone. I remember it. And it said, call me an envelope, because all I do is send it. Maybe I should put that on a t-shirt. Anyway, the master plan. You alright, mate? The master plan with Patreon, which I really think you guys are going to love. Well, some of you guys, because some of you guys probably don't even want to see Brazil stuff. But it's one-of-one content, never been done before. You can't just pop over to Brazil and do what I done, even to the level I done it to, which I didn't even get stuck. I didn't even get started. Complicated country. You can't just pop over and do what you want. You need to understand how to move out there. And I'm still an amateur, and I've done a year and a half out there. You need the language. You need a network. There's many reasons as to why it's a complicated country. And if you don't have a foundation that you've built over years of your life, which naturally happens as you progress through life in any country, you build a network. You have people that you trust, the people around, people you can call up to make things happen, ask for help. You have the language. Yeah, moving country, guys, it's not that straightforward. But anyway, what I'm going to do, which I originally planned, I thought, right, I'm going to start a Patreon, and I'm going to just post all my Brazil content on there, because you've probably heard me speak before about creating content on oh no, this is the way to go. Yeah, when you post in a different country, you get reach in that country. And I never understood how all these travel vloggers are just going to different countries, but I think they've just got such a strong foundation of following, which is English, that no matter what, people get suggested their videos. And they also don't stay in one place for too long as well. So I thought about, oh, if I go out there, I could only make about what, 3-4 videos before YouTube really start pushing to a Brazil audience. And as much as I love the Brazilian people and how supportive they are, they're not going to understand the content. They don't understand they don't understand English. So I don't want it. Not on YouTube anyway. So I thought I'll post like 3-4 videos. Maybe I'll pre-film like 12 weeks worth of content from England, which is 1 upload a week through the winter, because I can't do anything. What winter content can I get I'm not going that way. What winter content can I get anyway in England? Nothing. So yeah, I'd get out there, post like 3-4 weeks worth of content in Brazil, just 1 upload a week, then I get back to English content. Then after like 3-4 months, I'll be back in England anyway, back to English, like back to just creating more content in England. But like my ideas have progressed since thinking about all this. So that was like the basic plan, and it has now evolved into something crazy, which I'm gonna get into now. I'm running late as always. And the original plan as well, which I forgot to mention about the Brazil content, I was gonna film like a maniac out there and have enough content to post weekly for you guys on Patreon, so you get the best, craziest content of Brazil that you've ever seen on the Patreon. So there's like a weekly episode, so it's worth it. It's like a Netflix subscription. I want to make sure that I'm bringing enough value through it, on top of the giveaways and everything else that I've planned. But then I was thinking, how much can I really do in like 3-4 months? I didn't really know what to do. It was a good idea and that, and I've been meaning to make a video to announce it to you lot, so that I can get everyone's feedback as well, because that's important. But the new idea, which I've been trying to say for the past 15 minutes now, I'm gonna make it a series. So when I go to Brazil, I'm gonna make series 1, for example. So instead of me trying to force out content for a whole year's worth of like content out there, so while I'm not there I can be posting Brazil content, I'm just gonna film when the madness is going on, or when I'm doing something, which will be often, because there's always something going on in Brazil, but I'll do them in series. Because obviously when I come back to the UK, if I'm in the UK for 7-8 months of a year, I'm not sure how much content I'm going to be able to get hold of out there in Brazil to keep consistently uploading per week. But throughout a series, there will be weekly uploads. And then during like the off season, so between the series, there'll be UK content going up that I can't post to YouTube, you know, casual, not casual, probably crazy content. Into the 20s on. Sirens already must be popping off. Last time I came to London, I was saying about the energy in the air. Today, this is a mad day. And I'm not talking on it like specifically in my videos, guys. They're gonna have to go down the right side, surely. Did I just run that red? Nah, that's cool. Yeah, I don't really get involved in everything that's going on. It's just like, no matter what, if you talk on certain things that are going on, someone just strongly disagrees. It's just drama that I don't want to be involved in. I like the idea of standing for something, but with what I do, I just ride bikes. I don't want to be crossing over paths with a huge amount of drama and me filming myself ride bikes. But anyway, back to the topic. It will be based around bikes, but as things move forwards, I'll only know and I'll only get feedback once I start it, you know. So if you want to help kickstart that and just support, go over and subscribe. You know I have a track record of sending. You know I'm gonna send it, and if it makes sense, I'll send that in January, and I'll try to get out there for 3 months. Like, I'll probably be able to land in Rio and maybe like ride Africa Twins through Rio, you know. Like, I'll be able to do something. I've got some good connections out there and some good friends, and I'm so ready to go out there and do it properly. And some of the content, like I say, it will be posted to YouTube, but the rest of it will be filmed in a series style format, and it'll be longer videos. Like I say, feedback is going to be one of the most important things on there throughout season 1 that I film. So you guys can tell me if you want longer videos, if you like them like more raw format, or if you like the edit, if you want more vlog style, if you don't want it like just on a moto vlog, if you actually want to see like more just lifestyle, because I'm not limited to just moto vlogs on there. That's a Patreon. My life is around motorcycles, so there'll be bikes in every video. But if you guys do want to see a vlog format, behind the scenes lifestyle, jet skis, like Just the madness. Never seen before content. So yeah, if you want to support that, guys, go over there, check it out. I'll be posting videos in the UK right now, which I can't post to YouTube, at least not for a while, and there'll be extended versions on there as well. I'm thinking as well, just like in the meantime, just to post on there, just if I go out on a Friday night solo ride, a ride that I wouldn't post to YouTube, maybe I'll just post that on there and just talk to you guys. And obviously you have the chance to be entered into the giveaway, or you are automatically entered into the giveaway, and it will get better. Like as it grows, like, I'll do that first hoodie and full tank of petrol giveaway. Hopefully eventually I could probably do something like giving away one of the helmets that I wear. Like, I'll buy the helmet, obviously I won't give you this one second hand. And as well, everyone who's already gone over there, yeah, I have no idea how much I appreciate that. It really helps spark my mind into the possibilities of what can be done with that platform, and really help me take this thing to the next level. They loved it. Right, we're here. Yeah, it's popping off today, guys. There's something in the air today. If there was a day in the past 5 years that it was going to pop off, today is the day. So yeah, it's important to be on point today. Right, that's the end of that video. Hope you guys like the sound of that. Hell, how much oil? Hope you guys like the sound of that update. And if you do want to support, go over to the Patreon, subscribe, and I look forward to taking everything to the next level for you lot. So most of the year there will be content, English content, on YouTube. And hopefully dribs and drabs of some Brazil bangers. But over on Patreon, it will be as I explained in the video. So yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.